Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Robotic Trading. Under this episode, we are still under advanced forex trading. All right. So under this episode, I want to cover a specific topic which is always an argument between many people. So what is the differences between manual versus robotic trading? Because I've covered this topic already, but many people are still confused. What is the difference, or what are the differences between manual and robotic trading? You shouldn't be confused because these are two different fields of trading. And if you are trading one field thinking you are trading the other, at the end of the day, you won't be able to make any money. So what is manual trading? What is robotic trading? Which one is best? And how can you be able to maneuver between the two systems of trading so that 2022 should be a year where we shouldn't have any excuses for not making any money in forex trading. So if you are ready for us to get into the video, please smash the like button on the video and let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ndemazeah, Godlove, and on this channel we talk everything about trading, business, personal finance, and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, please smash the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel so that you can always be updated once I come up with awesome content like this. Perfect. So let's just go straight into the video. On the video of today, what are we going to be talking about? We're going to be talking about what is manual forex trading, what is robotic forex trading, the pros of manual forex trading. We'll talk about the cons of manual forex trading, the pros of robotic forex trading, the cons of robotic forex trading, and which one is best, or how can you maneuver between robotic forex trading or manual forex trading and robotic forex trading. So without taking much of your time, let's go straight into the video. What is a manual forex trading? As the name goes, manual forex trading is when you as a person, you are responsible 100% for all the actions that are performed on your computer, for all the buy and sell, for your trade execution and your trade management is 100% responsible by you. So you have full control and full responsibility over the trade without the use of any software or any algorithm. That is manual forex trading. What is robotic forex trading? Robotic forex trading is forex trading with the use of an algorithmic system or the use of a software, which is also known as a robot. So what does that robot do? That robot is able to open and close. That robot is able to execute and manage the trade on your behalf. All right, that is why it is called robotic trading, because just like a robot, you are not actively involved. The robot just performs the tasks based on the ideas or based on the instructions you have given that robot. Perfect. So what are the pros of manual forex trading? Because as I always advise you guys, if you are just starting, this is how you maneuver. You should first of all learn manual forex trading, which is also known as raw forex trading, which we're going to be talking about demand and supply, exotic and minor currency pair, country profiles, Fibonacci, support and resistance. That is all about manual forex trading and raw forex trading, and it has its own forex strategies. Okay, it has its own strategy. So once you've already master manual forex trading, that is when you can bring in automatic or robotic forex trading. So that is how the transition works, or that is how the system works. So now let's talk about the pros, the advantages of trading manually, because that is the first thing you should do when you just start in forex trading before even talking about robot. The first advantage on our list is full control over your trading. Sorry. So you have full control over your trading. There is no way you can easily make adjustment, all right? Because with manual trading, you are the one pressing the buy, the sell, you are the one putting the target. So in that case, you'll be able to have full control over your trading. Another advantage of manual forex trading is flexibility. It is very, very flexible. You can easily, if you see what is not working, or if your system is not more working, you can easily adjust it. You can easily do some tweakings because it is all done manually. So there is actually flexibility. Another point on our list is you can actually and you can easily know when your forex system is not working, or you can easily know when your trading strategy is not working and make changes. But with robotic trading, once that thing is up there and working, there is no way you can be able to easily identify when the strategy is not working, because remember, a forex robot works according to a strategy which you have programmed on that particular robot. So with robotic trading, you won't be able to easily identify that. But with manual trading, you can easily identify when your strategy is not more working, or when you need to do some tweakings or some adjustments when it comes to your trading strategy. Then the last advantage of manual forex trading is accountability. In forex trading, you only be able to make money in forex trading if you have 100% accountability over the trades you take. You shouldn't be able to hold another person responsible if any trade doesn't go your way. All right, so you should be 100% accountable and responsible for any trade decision you make. That is why I'm teaching you guys how to fish on this channel instead of just giving you guys fish. So with manual trading, you'll be able to have accountability because you are the one taking those trades. You know the reasons why you were involved in that particular. You know the reason or the decision, the reasons for taking that particular decision, and you have full accountability over your trading. Now let's talk about the cons or the disadvantages of manual forex trading. When it comes to manual forex trading, the only disadvantage that is there, the only disadvantage we have is that emotional trading is involved. Emotional trading is involved. Remember, you are doing everything manually, and when you place a trade and the trade already goes your way, let's just say, let's just take example. Let's just say you are targeting 100 pips, and the trade has already gone on your favor for maybe 30 pips. If you are somebody who is greedy, or if you are somebody who is not yet grounded on trading psychology or the emotional side of trading, then you might be tempted to rush and close that particular trade because of greed. All right, you don't want to see money, you don't want to leave money on the table, you don't want the trade to go your way. Then at the end of the day, you see that trade closing as a losing trade. That is what we call greed, and that is emotional trading. You are trading with emotion, and part of emotional trading is also when you place a trade. That trade doesn't go your way. Maybe you were risking $10 and you come in now and you're risking $30 because you want to win now and you want to win and recover what you already lost. That is what we call revenge trading. And revenge trading is one of the major reasons why you will never make money in forex trading, or one of the easiest reasons for your account to be blown out in a matter of minutes, days, or even a week. All right, revenge trading is very bad, and that is part of emotional trading. So you have greed, you have emotional trading, the fear of missing out. All those things are summed up under emotional trading, and that is only available under manual trading when you are trading manually. Now let's talk about a forex robot. When you are trading with a forex robot, the only advantage you have is it eliminates emotional trading. All right, because the robot doesn't care so long as you've already given that particular robot, or you've already programmed that robot. That's why they used to, if somebody's insulting you at the point in time, they say don't work like a robot, because once you have already programmed that robot and you tell that robot buy here, and when the market gets here, close at this level, take profit at this level, the robot is going to do just exactly what you've programmed that robot to do. All right, the robot is just going to do that whether you're in profit of 10 pips and the market is going against you or not. The robot is going to be doing that religiously and meticulously without changing your trading plan. But with manual trading, there are instances where people used to change their trading plan. All right, that is emotional trading. So robotic trading eliminates the emotional part of trading totally. The robotic trading, you won't suffer from revenge trading. So long, even if a robot takes a trade and is a loser, because obviously robots do take trades that end up being losers. So even if a robot takes a trade that is a loser, there is no way that robot now will double. That robot will double now, and instead of 1 standard lot, the robot will be trading with 10 standard lot. No, the robot will still be working religiously and meticulously, following the program or the system or the strategy behind it, whether you are winning or not. So the emotional part of trading is eliminated totally with a robotic trading. Then it also prevents traders from panicking. So with manual trading, there is too much of panic. You see somebody place a trade, let's just say you've gone and borrow your uncle's money, or you've taken your house rent and put in forex trading. So long as you place that trade and the market just goes against you by 5 pips, you are already panicking. because you know your house rent is on the line. The money to pay your school fees is on the line, or the money to buy groceries is on the line. The money to pay your electricity is on the line. That is why they say never trade with any money which you need for any basic necessity, or that never risk what you can't afford to lose. But most of the people who do that, they are still stupid enough. Sorry about that. They're still stupid enough to borrow money, or they take what they can afford to. They can't afford to lose, and they put in forex trading. Once the market has gone against them, they are already panicking. They are already panicking. Why? Because they already know what is at stake. They already know that their house is at stake. Maybe their spouse or their car or something is already. So they are already panicking, and that panicking will enable them to take rash and on program or unjustified decisions. All right, they'll be able to take rash and unjustified programs decisions. So that is involved with manual trading. But with the robotic trading, it eliminates panicking totally. Because so long, even if you are targeting 50 pips and the market goes against you by 10 pips, the robot doesn't care. The robot knows very well that, okay, when you were programming me, you already put the risk management parameters. That is why when you are programming a forex robot, which I'm going to show you guys by the end of the day, you will be able to program your own robot. When you are programming a forex robot, what you have to do is you work in terms of parameters. There is a parameter for risk management. There are parameters for money management. There are parameters for trade execution, and there are parameters for trade management. So how will your robot open and close the trade? How will your robot manage the trade? How will your robot manage risks? How will your robot manage money? So all those parameters are involved in your robot. And once you've already done everything and you press buy, or you press the trigger point on your robot, it does everything. It does everything in your absence, whether you're already down by 10 pips or no, so the robot doesn't care. It won't panic. It will be able to do that religiously and meticulously. So eliminating emotions out of trading and also eliminating panicking out of trading is the main advantages of robotic trading. Now let's go to the main disadvantage of robotic trading. All right, that is why I'm giving you guys both the advantages and disadvantages, because by knowing the advantages and disadvantages, you'll be able to easily make some tweakings. You'll be able to easily make adjustments, so that at the end of the day, 2022 is going to be that year where we don't have any excuses and we're going to be able to make that money in forex trading. So the only disadvantage with robotic trading is that they are unable to adapt to changing market conditions. You see, they are unable to adapt to changing market conditions. The robot, that is why I say somebody can just install and say, bro, don't behave as a robot. Because once you've already programmed something on the robot and it starts working, it doesn't make any changes. Even if there are changes in the market condition, currency profiles are changed, more exotic currencies are more reacting, are even preferable to trade than minor currency pairs or major currency. The robot doesn't care. The robot will still just be doing the same thing over and over and over. So the only disadvantage with the robotic trading is that it doesn't adapt to changing market conditions. And remember, forex trading, what is working today might not work tomorrow. What is working tomorrow might not work the week after or 2 weeks after, or what is working in 2021 might not be working in 2022. That is why I'm still here, so that what is not working in 2022, we are still going to be there to make adjustment. So forex trading, you need to always be on the edge when it comes to education and when it comes to being flexible to be able to adjust things when they are not more working. But with the forex robot, when you have already programmed that thing and it's already up there and working, there is no way the forex robot is going to even be able to identify changing market conditions. So that is the only disadvantage, when you know that, okay, you need to actually step in as a human to be able to know when your robot needs some adjustment, to be able to know when your robot needs some tweakings to be able to fit with the current or the changing forex market environment, because the forex market environment is always changing. So that is the only disadvantage with robotic trading. So now let's go to the big question. Which one should you choose? Should you go with manual forex trading or should you go with robotic forex trading? Now with that question, there's a system I want you guys to follow. And with that system, when you just start in forex trading, even if your uncle or your father or whoever is telling you to use a robot, try to just forget about forex robot completely when you are starting in forex trading. First of all, learn manual forex trading. You can survive without robotic trading, but you can't survive without manual forex trading. All right, if somebody gives you a robot today and you are lucky to play some winning trade for maybe the next 2 days, or you are lucky to play some winning trade, there is no guarantee that you'll be able to have consistency with that particular robot. So that is what we're talking about. But with manual forex trading, you can actually survive without the robot, because you know what you are doing. You know what we call raw forex trading. And on this channel, all the past 48 videos of almost about 18 hours of content on the channel, or on this particular course, will be able to groom you up, will be able to mold you up, will be able to prepare you to be a good raw trader, to be a good manual trader. When you've already spent those couple of months to be a good manual trader, and you can be able to place trade, you can be able to execute and manage your trade manually, or have manual strategies that you are already trading, support and resistance strategies, candlestick strategies, trend trading strategy, Fibonacci. All of that is under manual strategies. When you've already known that and you are already making consistent profit in forex trading, that is when you can then move into robotic trading and try to bring in the robotic aspect of trading, so that some of those your strategies that you already know, some of those your strategies, your manual strategies that you already have, you'll be able to program some of them into a robot, so that even in your absence, that robot will be there. That robot will still be opening and closing trade. That is what you guys see me doing all the time. That is why if you check here on this screen, all these robots you are seeing here, they are all under my names. I programmed them by myself, because I first of all went through manual trading and I knew what I was doing before I even went into robotic trading, so that I could program my own robot. There is no way you make money in forex trading using robot if you don't even understand the idea behind that robot, if you don't even understand the reason why that robot is buying and selling. All right, that is why I recommend for you to first of all stick on manual forex trading. And when you know how to trade forex manually, then you can bring in the robotic aspect of forex trading, where you try to now you try to then move some of your manual strategies and program them into a robot. And I will show you how you can be able to move some of your manual forex strategies and program them into a robot, The same robot you are buying on Instagram for $2,000, the same robot you are buying somewhere for $4,000 is the same robot. I'm going to be able to show you how to create by the end of this particular course, by the end of this particular series on robotic trading. Because when it comes to robotic forex trading, I also make a lot of millions when it comes to forex trading using just robots. So that is why they say you will work for the rest of your life, or you'll be poor for the rest of your life, unless you have a system that makes money while you are asleep. You understand? You work for the rest of your life and you'll be poor for the rest of your life unless you have a system that makes money while you are asleep. That is why my forex robot sometimes comes into play. But before I got to that level, I had the courtesy to be able to know that no, I have to first of all learn manual forex trading, to be able to develop raw trading, to be able to just know this trading. What is moving the market? Why is this happening? Then before I can then bring in a robot to be able to do most of those things. So that is how you maneuver between manual forex trading and robotic forex trading. You should be able to use all, but now you know how to prioritize one over another. You know how to transgress, how to move from one step to another, because the steps start with manual, then before you start even thinking or going into robotic trading. So if you're just starting and somebody gives you a robot to use, please, you have to refuse unless you have become a professional and you know what you are doing in forex trading before you can even use another robot from someone. By the end of this course, you don't even need to worry about taking robot from people, because I'll teach you how to create your own robot. So with that being said, if you want to hear from me one-on-one, please make sure you check the link, my Patreon link below, because on Patreon, when you get access to Patreon, you also get access to my Discord private community. On Discord private community, that is where you'll be able to hear from me one-on-one on a daily basis, and occasionally I do Zoom calls one-on-one with my Discord private members. So if you want to be mentored by me, then please make sure you check the Discord link below or the Patreon link below to join me in Patreon, so that 2022 and beyond should be the year where we make that money in forex trading. We buy more of these toys, we make more money in forex trading, and at the end of the day, success is not measured by the amount of money you have in your bank account, but the number of people you lift on your way up, or the number of lives you are able to impact. That is why I try to build this community, so that together we can share those ideas and together we can make that money. And if you also want to use the same forex broker I use, the same forex broker that is robotic friendly, because some brokers won't allow you to use a robot. So check the link below to be able to use the same forex broker I use that will allow you to also use forex robot. And also, please, if you've gotten some value from this video, do me a favor. The only thing I need from you, just smash the like button on this video. Smash the like button on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the video. Also, feel free to check me out on Instagram. Follow these videos, which I'm going to leave at the end of the screen. These videos are all linked to this particular topic. So watch those videos after this one. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.